not saying it's Mary, neither am I saying it's her mother, that I know God is going to fight for me. You came without conscience. You said, I did this. Those that needs baby things, I gave them already inside the store. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from every angle you're watching. Firstly, I want to say thank you to everyone who has actually reached out to me. I mean, everyone. I am grateful. This means a lot to me. Trust me. Thank you. Okay, concerning the live video my husband posted, saying Mary and her mother, did all of this. Please don't blame him. Please don't blame him. He will not just come out to say something. Mary and her mother, when her mother came, she said a lot. She said a lot. I know, my husband know. Mary as well know about it. Mary indirectly said too. I have never one day mocked anybody. I have never one day. The last time my husband went to the village, that's Mary village, I did not really go with them because I was heavy. I was tired. Mary and my husband left. They went to Mary's village. My husband went to beg the mother, that's Mary's mother, after all the scenario which whereby happened, she said a lot of things. And my husband decided to visit and, apologize, because in case there's anything, we don't know her pain, we don't know anything, but he went to apologize. He apologized to the mother, he apologized to Mary, I also apologized. Okay, let's forget about all these things and move on. So, many reasons why he called their names. We have all the videos, we have all the proof, but let's not go there. Now, when my husband and Mary are arguing in the parlor, I was in my room. Everything he said was out of pain. He said it's because the baby was his happiness. The baby was everything to him. I'm not saying that Mary did it or the mother. We're not saying it. We're just, saying things concerning the video, the previous video, where the mother said a lot, and even without the video, she said a lot. It's hard for him to move on. It's hard for him to forget about the baby, because anytime we look at the storeroom and he says the baby's clothes, gifts, everything, I understand how we feel. I understand the pain. I understand everything. I myself, the last time I went there, I really don't want to leave. I really don't want to leave that place, that storeroom, because seeing things that he was supposed to wear, gifts he was supposed to see and smile, a lot of things, but I'm trying my possible best to be strong, because I know that the God that gave, it takes, and when it takes, He gives again. That is what I believe. I was in the room when they were having their argument. I really did not say anything, because I don't even know where to start. For you to come out and separate and say, okay, let's forget about everything. Or is it to just, I don't even know what to say or what to do. I wasn't even in the mood. I wasn't even in the mood. I don't know who did this. I don't know who. I don't know, because if you had wanted to, you could have done it when it was 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You could have done it, not when it's 5 months. And I really will not pray for anybody, any mother, or for everyone that has been saying that I did this. I did this. I don't pray you experience this. I don't pray. I don't pray each and everyone experience this. I don't pray for you to take in, experience all everything you know that happens when you get pregnant, and at the end of the day, when your baby is about to be out, when your baby is about to, how many months from now, and you woke up and nothing, and you think I would do this to myself, and you think I will wake up one morning and decide to hurt the one that love the baby the more, or hurt myself that I carried this child. You feel I will do all of this. Do you know what it takes to endure the pain? And when you had this miscarriage, the pain, how I fell in the bedroom several times, and I will not say it out. I will not tell my husband. I will not tell anybody. I feel I will be fine. All my waist will be paining me. My stomach will hurt. I know what I have actually test you, but I will not speak it out. And all of it, so that you said I did this to my own baby, my precious gift. You think I will go to the hospital to remove something that means a lot to me, that means a lot to my husband, that means a lot to everyone? You think I will do that? You think I'm stupid? You think I will do it? I did not do it when it was 1 month. I did not do it when it was 2 months. I did not do it when it was 3 months. I did not do it when it was 4 months. I did not do it, and all of a sudden I did it. I did it. You know the pain I've passed through. Do you know how many times I will be inside because of how much severe pain I felt, and I will not say it out? Do you know? You all said that I did this. I don't think you know the pain of a mother when she carried her baby and all of a sudden, she loses it. I don't think you know the pain of a mother carrying a baby. I don't think you know. I don't think so. You don't just come out and say something because you know you can just say it. You don't just come out to lament because you know you want to lament. I pray, no matter what you've said, I pray you don't experience it. I pray you don't experience it never in this life. I pray your generation don't experience this. I pray you don't experience how I fell into the bedroom not once, not twice, not three, no 4 times, no 6. I pray you don't experience even on the road. I pray you don't experience this. I know how many times I've hit my tummy on the floor. I know how many times my waist hurt. I know how many times I feel like nothing was moving again inside of me. I know how many times I just gave myself, I said, okay, fine, I will be strong. And I hope, oh God, I know how many times I have done this. And you came without conscience. You said, I did this. It's fine. I'm not saying it's Mary, neither am I saying it's her mother. But I know God is going to fight for me. I was thinking that after my husband apologized, everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be okay. But I don't know. Only God knows. They say, they know person mind finish. Even if you smile, you don't know what is in the person's heart or mind. We'll all give birth again, or we'll all take in again and give birth peacefully. To those that needs baby things. I gave them already inside the store. I will make sure I just go around and give it to people that need baby clothes, baby gifts. I need to share them out, even if it's not going to be easy for me. I need to just take them out. I need to take them out. I need to give it to those that need it. My baby will want it. He will want me to give it to those that need it. He will want me to give it to those that need it. He will want me. I know he'll be happy. I know he will be. I know. I will just go. I pray none of you experience this. I pray none of you pass through this. I pray you all will take it and you all will give birth in peace. I pray so because I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm talking about. Lord, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy to take the thing we can only remember anyway. But I will do it. We cannot stay here forever. A lot of mothers are out there that don't even have clothes to wear their baby. A lot of mothers are out there that don't even have diapers to wear for their baby. A lot of them don't even have gifts to give to their baby for them to smile. I will do it for you all. I will put a smile on your faces. I will make sure that your baby smile. I will make sure your baby experience more than his. I will make sure your baby experience the gift of a mother. I'll do it. I'll do it for everyone, every mother out there. Don't worry, your baby is gonna get gifts. Your baby is gonna wear clothes. Your baby is gonna look beautiful, and so your baby is gonna be fine. Your baby is gonna be fine. sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I want everybody to be happy. Mary, I'm sorry if my husband had said it was you or your mother, but please do not blame him. Still find a place to forgive him. He's still your husband and he loves you no matter what. Everything he's saying it out of pain because he really want to feel the baby, and I know you also want. I know you don't like all this. I want to say sorry for everything. I'm not necessary for, him saying anything. You should understand that he don't love you, so don't take it too personal. I would like us to do this together. Go out to give people that don't have clothes for their baby. They don't have gifts for their baby. Let's just empty the storeroom so that I don't go there again and feel that there is something missing inside of me. No, my husband or anybody. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really do love each and every one of you, and I pray that for every mother that are out there, if you're pregnant, I pray you keep it like an Hebrew woman. I pray you don't experience the loss of anything. I pray you don't feel pain. I pray you don't get hurt. I pray for you all. God bless.